Hi, this is Akash, and today I'll show you how we can migrate the data from one UGREEN NAS to another. This will be done if you either want to upgrade to a new model or if your old device has failed and you need to move your existing hard drive into a new unit. Your data of course resides only on the hard drive, so even if the UGREEN fails, you have got nothing to worry about. As long as your hard drives are okay, your RAID is intact, you have got nothing to worry about. How we'll do it is, first we will remove your drive from the old unit. You don't have to worry about the order of the drives. If you want to remove them, number them, and then reinsert them in the new NAS later on using the same order, it will be okay too. But you don't have to do that actually, because every drive will have a RAID super block, which will have the drive ID, the RAID ID, and the order of the drive. So you can just simply remove them, keep them aside. Now this is an important part. We set up a new unit without your hard drives. Why I say we set it up without the hard drives is because we want the UGOS, which is the operating system, to be installed on the internal flash of the new unit. If we insert the hard drives at this moment, it might do something to the hard drive. So we will not take any chances and make sure that your hard drives are not a part of the setup at all. Once the new unit is set up, your OS goes on the internal flash. Then we insert the hard drives into your NAS, and using UGOS we will reassemble your RAID. Alright, so now I'll show you the actual process. So now I have removed my hard drives, and this is a new device. There are no hard drives in this. I got the IP. I will set it up. Device name, account name, set it up. And initialize, and we'll wait for it to initialize. Let's start. Alright, so now when you see, you will see that I have got nothing on the storage at all, right? Because I don't have any hard drive, which means this entire thing, the UGOS, this is running from the internal flash. Now we will insert our hard drives. Alright, now my hard drives are inserted and they have been detected. So when I click on hard drive, I see that I've got two hard drives here. I can click here and then click on use. It gives me the option of either creating a storage pool. If you do this, then your existing data will be wiped out. If you use the external storage, again the data will be wiped out. Internal storage, this is the option for your RAID reassemble. Okay, this is the option that you need to choose, internal, if they need to be converted to internal storage. Click on this. See, it has already detected that it had a RAID 1 with two hard drives, and right now hard drive 1 and hard drive 2 are both connected. So you only need to do it with one member of the RAID. You don't have to do it for all the hard drives. Click on next. SSD cache, in my case it was not there. If it was have been there, then you would have to select this. In mine, I never use SSD cache. I'll do another video on why SSD cache is not a magic bullet anyway. Many people I talk to, many of the clients come to us and simply blindly ask us that they want SSD cache, and in most of the cases it's not useful. Submit and convert. I accept the consequences. It tells you that SSD cache has been removed. Please make sure that this is not there, because if there was a caching, then you would have to have the caching device as well. If there was any data that was not flushed from caching to hard drive, then that would create a problem. It also says that the application data will be removed. Some of the application data like VMs configuration data and container stations configuration data is sometimes removed, and it takes a while. Of course, it doesn't take actually that long. You're not rebuilding a RAID, you're only reassembling it. But anyway, just confirm it, give your password, and then wait. Successfully mounted. See, it just took half a second. Done. Here is your thing, and you can see that all your data is, how do I skip it? Escape. Alright, and you can see that all your shared folders are there, everything is there. Though your your apps will not be there. So I had, for example, Docker on the old machine. It's not there. I will have to install it again. But all your folders, all the data that you had here actually came back. All your shared folders and everything that was in the shared folders came back. So this is it. If you have anything that you want to ask or add, please feel free to ask me in the comment box, and I always respond. Thanks a lot.